What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. Today we are sticking with the summer barbecue theme and making barbecue black-eyed pea collard rolls. And this is going to be great because we're using a barbecue sauce that we made recently and incorporating that into these rolls. So, as always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is grab a bunch of collard greens. We're going to use these leaves as the rolls. They're going to be the casing for all the yumminess inside. So, get the most beautiful ones you can find. Big and beautiful, it's how we like it. Grab a large pot, fill it with water, and set it to high because we're going to boil all these collard greens. And start rinsing your collard greens. You need 12. Now, once you have your beautiful 12 collard leaves, I actually did 13 just in case. You want to be delicate with them, so what we're going to do is cut off maybe the really hard stem, maybe 1 to 2 inches of it. Just do what I'm doing. The reason we're cutting these out is because when we roll them up, they're going to be harder to do that if you have this really thick stem in the middle. Alright, we're going to stick these in the pot, and we want to cover this, cook for about 6 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. Now, once these are done, you want to delicately take them out with tongs, try not to rip them, and put them in a strainer. Now, what you want to do is either get a bag of chopped collard greens, or you can get some more fresh ones, chop them up. You need about 4 cups worth. And you're also going to need 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms, sliced thickly. Preheat a large skillet over medium heat. Throw in our vegetable oil. And we're going to saute our mushrooms for about 5 minutes. Alright, these have softened and starting to let off some moisture. So let's throw in our collard. And we're going to cook this for about 7 to 10 minutes till most of the moisture is cooked off. Since this is frozen, you might need to cook it a little bit longer. Alright, looks like a lot of this water has cooked down. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes now. I might just drain a little bit of this, just so that we don't have a soggy mess. Alright, looking good. So, grab a can of black-eyed peas, drain them, rinse them, and add them to the skillet. And you want to heat these through. I think these are cooked, so now we're going to add 2 cups of our backyard barbecue sauce that we made. And we're going to cook this for about 5 more minutes. Smells good. If it looks a little too watery after you've cooked it for about 5 minutes, just cook a little bit longer. Then you're going to want to turn the heat off and let it cool for a few minutes, because you don't want to burn yourself putting these rolls together. Fun fact! Collards are the oldest known green in the cabbage family, dating back all the way to the ancient Greeks and Romans. The name collard originates from the word colwort, which means wild cabbage. And of course, they're great sources of vitamins like A, B, C, K, L-MNOP. And it has minerals like iron, calcium, copper, manganese, selenium, and zinc. Okay, now that we've cooled a little bit, take one of these collard leaves, let's put it flat down, and have the part that is cut facing away from you, because we're gonna roll from this side. We're gonna take a couple tablespoons, stick it on the bottom third. It's pretty hot still. And then you're gonna take the bottom, fold it up, fold in the sides, like so, and then roll it up. Just like that. Beautiful. And repeat. See what I mean by those stems? Alright, we'll get to the assembling party later, but for now, let's taste it. Now when you serve it, you're supposed to drizzle a little bit of the barbecue sauce on top. First of all, they're adorable. It's good. It's like a barbecue roll-up. The barbecue sauce has a nice flavor, of course. It's a little bit spicy, which I like. Black-eyed peas are really good in it. It's flavored really well. The collards don't taste bitter. They've been cooked. It's pretty good. And of course, you know, the more barbecue sauce you put on it, the better it's gonna be. Not that it needs it. The filling tastes delicious by itself. All in all, I think these are good. It's a nice, you know, little change. I've never seen this before, and I'm sure people would think that, oh, that looks cool. So yes, I say delicious, worth making because they look fancy. People will think they're special if you make this for them. So you should do that. I'm curious to know what my friends think because we are taking these to a cookout right now.
I like it.
I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to share and subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time.
I like the goo on top of it.
It has a good flavor.
Yeah.
I really like the collard green.
And the barbecue.
There's a little bit of sweet with the barbecue.
Thanks, Connie.
Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing, Eli. It's the only time in his life he'll ever do that.